will start with little bit some grab attention activity. Raise your hand like this. Then keep it down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Say, when I will say focus, you have to say focus. Okay? Focus.
Focus!
Focus.
Focus!
Listen to.
Teacher!
Listen to.
Teacher!
Now roll number 36. Stand up. 36. What to have aim in your life? What to want to become? Doctor. From where you got this motivation that you want to become doctor? Your father or mother, or you have seen the doctors? How did you think that I want to become a doctor? How you have decided? Something has been came in your mind, right? That I want to be doctor. Your subject is you are good in biology. Something. How you have decided? It's like that you have aim, your motive that I want to become doctor, right? Like that. Now roll number 45, 48. What you now sit down. Thank you. What you want to become? Police. How did you get this motivation that you want to become police?
It is my mother's university.
Mother, wow, very good. So children, when we are studying, when we are doing something or when we will see something, we think that I want to become a doctor. Well, see, I will give you one example. When I was like 10 to 12 years, I went to meet my father in the bank. Okay, bank. Then I told my father how they have set in proper bench, they have the thumb, fingerprint, impression. Papa, like that I want to become. Like I also want to become a bank officer. But still I did not do that. Then I got married and I have switched to then I have joined in IT, software developer. I was software developer before. Okay. I was very good. For short duration for 2 years, I have achieved my dream. That okay, maybe my dream is to be a software developer. For 2 years there, then for COVID came, then recession came. Then what? No, I can't sit alone, like as idle in the home. I want to do something. Then at that corona period time, COVID time, too much recession was there. So once suddenly I thought that okay, let's go to one from my daughter's school. I got one notifications that we are hiring some teachers. We need some teachers. Then I have joined that interview and I got selected for the teacher. Then I did why? For teaching, I want to grow more in that teacher. Then I have joined in the BA program. So while joining the teaching program, I know within what inside with me that yes, I can grow in this field. You are saying first I want to become in a bank official. But when I go to adult, what I become? Software developer. But currently what I am doing?
Teacher!
So it's not like that what we are thinking. It depends what we are good on. Okay? Now I will call one roll number 25. Again, sorry, 32.
Completed it, sir.
Who only raise your hand, don't use your mouth. What you want to say? Come. Do you know which leader he is? What is the leader name? Rabindranath Tagore. What he was? He was a great philosopher, Bengali poet. He has opened the Santiniketan. And what he wrote? Every day we will sing in our school. And who was he? What we are going for on his birthday, what we celebrate?
Teacher's Day!
Good job. And who is? powerful and wonderful in their life. So children, we are going to learn the Fraser. In this chapter, mostly this with two people conversation is going. Hafiz contractor was an architecture and how in starting I have told now that I have told about me. I was like that. I was thinking of like that only. Into Hafiz contractor is was going to. He will share his some memory. So I will read some paragraph. Then I will call one person to read. Okay. Read the following interview. It is based on a conversation between Miss Bella Raja, editor of Ispas, a newsletter from the resource center, the Valley School, Bangalore, and Mr. Hafiz Contractor, one of India's leading architects. Now, children, what do you mean by architects? Architect in simple term you can say constructing. Construction, okay? Or in continuous term you can say constructing. Hafiz contractor. I used to have this terrible nightmare. Only now, over the last 4 to 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. Bella Raja, what nightmare are you talking about, and why do you think it has disappeared now? Now roll number, you read this. First two conversation, read louder.
Hafiz contractor. I used to have this terrible nightmare. Only now, over the last 4 to 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. Bella Raja. What nightmares are you talking about? And why do you think it was disappeared now?
Okay, very good. Now write down the home assignment. Go through page number, textbook, page number 71 and underline difficult words. Okay? Okay. Hope you will do your homework. Thank you, children.